An object of mass m is attached with a string that is attached with this vertical rod, which can spin about its axis of rotation at the different values of angular velocity omega. So in this question, you have to find that which quantity should we take along the y-axis, and as you are taking the angular velocity on x-axis, so that you will get a straight line graph. Now, first of all, quickly understand what is a omega. Omega is the angular speed or angular velocity, which tells us that how many rotations a certain body, a spinning body, is completing every second, which is also equals to 2 pi over time period and can be written as 2 pi f. So it means when you are increasing the omega angular speed, it means you are spinning this rod fast about its axis of rotation. Anyways, if we see the centripetal force in this case is due to the force of tension, and we can write a general formula of the centripetal force as Fc is equals to mv square over r, and centripetal force is F. So you can write velocity as r omega whole square divided by r, and then it will be mr square omega square over r, and finally we got a force, centripetal force is equals to mr omega square. Now if you take the, because this mass and radius is constant in this question, so force is directly proportional to angular speed square. So if you take the square of angular speed on x-axis, then you should take on y-axis force. But in this question it is said you have to take in any case only angular speed on x-axis, which means if we take the square root of this formula, which means that now square root of f is directly proportional to omega, so we got a quantity. We should take the square root of f, a square root of centripetal force in this case, along the y-axis to get this straight line proportionality. So A is the right answer.